Is computer engineering dying? Honestly, no. Computer engineering isn't disappearing, it's evolving. What's fading are a few old habits, like thinking it's only coding or only hardware. Today, the winners are the people who understand the full system. Here's what's happening to computer engineering jobs and the skills that will matter most. First, just writing code is getting less special, not because coding is useless. Coding is everywhere, but because tools, especially AI, make basic coding faster. So the value shifts to what the code is connected to: the hardware, the constraints, performance, reliability, and security. Pure hardware without software awareness is also limiting, because modern devices are software-driven machines. A smartwatch, a drone, a car, none of them work with hardware alone. They need firmware, drivers, updates, and real-time control. So computer engineering is increasingly about being bilingual, hardware and software. Third, the real growth is in embedded systems and edge computing. Embedded means the computer is inside a product, like a robot, a medical device, a car sensor, or an industrial machine. Edge means it processes data locally, not only in the cloud, because speed, privacy, or reliability matters. The jobs growing include embedded and firmware engineering, hardware validation and testing, systems and IoT engineering, robotics, and cybersecurity. The roles shrinking are the ones that are one-dimensional, like only basic app code with no system thinking, or hardware with no software understanding, and security is becoming non-negotiable. Now it's part of the job because everything is connected. If your device can be hacked, it's not finished, even if it works. So what skills should you focus on if you want to be future-proof? Start with fundamentals, C or C++ basics, because that's the language of embedded. Linux basics, because a lot of real systems run on it. Microcontrollers and debugging, because in the real world you don't just run code, you fix it. Electronics and computer architecture basics, so you understand what's actually happening under the hood, and add a security mindset, how systems fail, how data leaks, how to design safer. So no, computer engineering isn't dying, it's shedding an old skin. Only coding is fading, only hardware is fading. Hybrid system thinking is rising, hardware plus software, performance plus security, minus real-world constraints plus reliability. If you're choosing a path, comment one word, embedded, chips, or security, and I'll reply with a good starting point. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful. I truly appreciate your time, and I can't wait to see which path you choose. Catch you in the next one.